Let's talk about practicing JavaScript. Hello everyone! It's Anna from Duomly and welcome in the next episode. It's really great to see you all here, and today I would like to talk about practicing JavaScript. It's pretty obvious that when we are learning, we need to practice a lot to get more experience, to get more proficient in what we are doing, right? And it doesn't matter if it's programming or riding a bike. So, I decided to go through my own experience and to create a simple list of things which I did to practice JavaScript when I was learning. And I would like to go through it with you and share it with you to make it more simple for the future if you decide to learn JavaScript. So, let's start! Okay, so the first point is, I think you probably know already, so it's building projects. Let's imagine that you learn about, I don't know, maybe you started from learning about functions. So create a function. That's the best way for you to understand how it works, what you can do with it, and I don't know, if you pass a variable there, what will happen? Or if you will pass the variable in a different place, what will happen then? So you don't have to create very big advanced projects at the beginning. You can start from a simple script which will, I don't know, change the color of the button or something like this. It really doesn't have to be a huge thing because you are learning the basis and then you can practice the basis. So I don't know, you can create a calculator or a timer if you know, I don't know, set timeout or set interval, or if you, I don't know, practicing loops, you can create a function that loops through something. But it's very, very important to build. Also, it's a great idea to push all the projects you've done to any GitHub or Bitbucket to keep it in one place, and you know, sometime you can improve something. Well, that's the second point actually. So let's go to the second point. Improve and make your project bigger. So, as I mentioned 1 second before, you can improve your project. So if you will learn how you can do something in a better way, use it. Rebuild your project, refactor your code. Try to make it the best as you can in the particular time when you are learning. It will allow you to take a different view on the code you wrote, on the point when you are a basic person and when you are a little bit more advanced. So another thing which you can do with the parts of the project you've created in the beginning is to extend it. So if you created a function to, I don't know, change the color of the button, then you can create another function which will make the button jumping. And you can build a small project with this, or I don't know, you can use it in a different project you are creating. Build projects and improve your projects. That's the start. Let's go to the third point. Complete code challenges. This is what I was doing and it was such a fun for me actually. It was some time ago, and as I remember, I used some platform to compete with other developers and to solve some challenges. It was like wars or something like this. So the platform had a specific task to complete and you selected a random user, different user, who will complete with you on the same task. You had tests which your task should to go over, and if you done it first or if you done it correctly, you got some points and you were leveling up. It was pretty cool because I was solving really nice, challenging tasks, and also it was a little bit like a game. So I was learning, I had a lot of fun, and another thing is that some of these challenges were about algorithms and stuff like this, so I could learn more advanced things, but I also were able to solve these tasks with lower knowledge. Try it, have fun and solve challenges. I think you can find a lot of this in the internet right now, and also there are Facebook groups where they post challenges like this, so I'm pretty sure that you are able to find it somehow. next point is about joining to the community. So, you probably know communities like Stack Overflow or Facebook groups for programmers or on GitHub sometimes. So it's a great point to join to a community like this who has similar interests to you and you can evolve, right? Also, there are some live meetups if you prefer to talk with people like, normally in life, in real. So if you prefer this kind of collaboration with people, then it's fine. But if you prefer online, go to Stack Overflow, try to talk to people, try to solve problems, to help others. It's a great opportunity for you to learn, for you to share knowledge, and for you to get others' knowledge as well. So do it, yeah. Let's go to point 5. It's actually connected to the joining to the community, but it's a little bit more about practicing also. What I can offer you in a point 5 is to find a person or a team of people to start collaboration or to join to the open source project. It's pretty cool because you can create code, you have a team of people and you are working together on something new. First of all, you can learn from them, so this is like a huge advantage. Another thing is that you are a part of a project, like a real project. So it's another cool thing, right? Another point which I think is pretty cool right now is to write a blog and share your learning journey with others. These days a lot of people are writing posts, doing vlogs or doing Instagram posts, Twitter posts or Facebook posts. And why not? Why you can't share your learning path? Do it! Write articles about what kind of problems you are solving, what you are learning right now, what you are doing, and describe what was like the difficult point for you and how did you understood it and what you do about this. And you will provide to the world a solution by your own words, which is another description of something difficult to people who might maybe understand it from your description. Help others, do it, yeah. Also, why not, I don't know, join something like 100 days of code challenge on Instagram, I guess, or on Twitter. There is something like this. Or, I don't know, start a blog and writing day by day, what are you learning? Maybe others will join to you. It will be fun, I guess, right? Learning with others can be cool. So, this is my ideas how you can practice JavaScript. I would be really glad if you can share yours, maybe from your experience, maybe what are you doing right now. And I think that's it. If you like the video, please give us a thumb up and leave a comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel and maybe we will publish another videos like this, maybe with some ideas about JavaScript projects which you can create, which also can be cool. If yes, give thumb up. Okay, so guys, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a lovely rest of the day and bye!